In this Adobe Premiere Pro tutorial, we're going to learn how to change a clip's color label, which means assigning a different color to your clip to keep your timeline organized. Color labels are very helpful when working on larger projects. For example, you can give interviews one color, B-roll another color, music a different color, and graphics another one. This makes your timeline much easier to manage. Let's begin. First, go to your timeline or the project panel. Select the clip whose color you want to change. Now, right-click on the clip. From the menu, hover over Label. You'll see a list of different colors available. Simply choose the color you want. Immediately, the clip will change to that selected color. You can repeat this for multiple clips to create a color-coded editing system. Changing the color label does not affect playback, export, or quality. It's purely for organization and workflow improvement. And that's it. You now know how to change clip color labels in Adobe Premiere Pro. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more Adobe Premiere Pro tutorials.